Looking at the truth, the money never lie, no. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one. Early morning in the dawn, know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah, I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick of all those other imitators. Don't let the only real one intimidate ya. See you watching, don't run out of time now. I'm the one, yeah, ooh, 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 ooh. I'm the one, ooh, ooh, ooh. I'm the only one, ooh.
Welcome back to the Bot 7005. We get a VIA train here at 40 leading. See if there's a 150. And unwrapped at 40. 441, 150 car. And yeah, we'll see ya for 88. Here's VIA 88 departing. It sounds like we got a different F40 on there. Let's see. Get 6430. It has the bell that is slower pitched than this one. Let's see what number it is. Oh. Never unwrapped at 40. Looks like 6445. This one was actually wrapped for the Grey Cup train. What did you use? CFO Grey Cup train. Yeah, this is 6445. We saw this one on 87 before too.